Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to download TV shows on Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now search for the TV show that you are looking for. From the search results, find the TV show you want to download. Then, tap on the TV show title to open its details page. Here, you will see the download option. It's usually represented by a downward arrow icon. Simply tap on the download button and download the episode of the TV show. You can scroll down and download the other episodes of the TV show too. And that's it. This is how you can download TV shows on Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.